Welcome to your midweek power surge. I'm your host, Dr. Mel. I do these power surges every week around Wednesday so I can help fill you up and get you through the rest of your week. And I hope they are helpful and beneficial to you as a leader. Welcome to your midweek power surge, the quick boost you need to refuel, refocus, and lead with confidence. Leadership isn't just about the title. It's about the impact you make every single day. Whether you're stepping into a leadership role, still in the classroom but preparing for a move into leadership, or already leading your team, these short episodes are designed to keep you empowered, encouraged, and equipped for the journey. And the truth is, empowered leaders empower others. And that starts with showing up with clarity, purpose, and passion. So let's tap into the power within you, the calling God has placed on your heart, and the leadership you're meant to walk in. This is your weekly power surge. Let's go. You don't need more time. You don't need another strategy. You need to stop leading on empty. The truth is, guys, you can't pour into teachers or students or your school from a place that's already dry. Psalm 23:5 says, "My cup overflows," not barely filled, overflowing. That's the model. Somewhere along the way, you maybe started believing that good leadership means constant output. You show up, you solve problems, you support everyone, you carry the weight. But no one told you if you're always pouring out and never being filled, eventually, you start leading from depletion instead of purpose. And then what happens? Your patience gets shorter. Your decisions feel heavier. Your clarity starts to fade. Not because you're not called, but because you're disconnected from your source. You were never designed to lead from survival, guys. You were designed to lead from overflow. Overflow means you're filled before the meeting. You're grounded before there's pressure. You're anchored before you make decisions. It means what people get from you is not the leftovers of your exhaustion. And that's easy to do. I do that often. But you want them to have the fruit of your connection. You want them to have the good stuff. I think back to that movie Twins with Arnold Schwarzenegger and Danny DeVito. One part of the movie that I remember, it's very hard to remember much of it, but the one part is basically Arnold Schwarzenegger got all the good stuff and Danny DeVito got none of the good stuff. I don't want you to lead when you don't have anything good to give, when all your good stuff is used up. So before you walk into that building, before you respond to that email, before you carry everyone else's needs, ask yourself, what's filling me right now? Am I leading from presence or pressure? Am I centered around God before I try to lead people? Because your leadership is only as strong as what's pouring into you. You don't have to run on empty. You don't have to strive to prove anything, guys. Today, you choose to be filled so you can lead with clarity, patience, and purpose. Because when your cup overflows, your leadership does too. This has been your midweek power surge. It's exactly what you need to keep leading with confidence. Remember, empowered leaders empower others, and that starts with you. Keep showing up, keep growing, and keep making an impact.